I'm going to go over the Westboro office, give you kind of an update of some pictures, a little bit about Dr. Kellner, an article that Dr. Saviat did on personal maintenance, and the video replay all about flat feet, and then a little information about a new technology that we're doing in here called OmniFix. So let's get into it. Basically, here's the new picture. You can see here over on the side, the sheetrock is up. They're starting to paint, and it's starting to look like a clinic. It seems it's going pretty fast, faster than we expected. And that's exciting for us and also for the patients that we can serve there. Here's one more picture. You can see the rooms. It's going to be amazing to look at the before and afters after this. Also for Dr. Kellner, he's picking up the pace here. We sent this out to the community physicians. And so you can see that Dr. Kellner went to the New York College of Podiatric Medicine. He did his residency in Framingham, and it's been great to have him here in the office. If you want to see him in the office, please just give us a call and we'd be happy to make that appointment for you. Also, there's an article, there was actually a blog that Dr. Saviat did on personal maintenance. And what he talks about in there is his own personal maintenance schedule, and it's kind of complex. And he kind of makes an analogy of how personal maintenance happens with cars. And if it's not needed for certain types of models, they need less maintenance. For example, a Toyota Camry or a Corolla or something like that, it's going to need less maintenance than something more. He uses an example of a Cadillac. So I'd like you to read the article. I'm going to include it here underneath this video for you if you'd like to read that. Also, I'm including the video replay of our lecture that we did. It was a webinar on all about flat feet, and there was a lot of really great questions, a lot of interaction with our patients. So I think you're going to like to watch that replay if you couldn't be present for that. And then finally, about OmniFix, this is a new little procedure that we're doing here in the office. And basically what it is, you can see on this toenail where I marked it in red, there is this little piece of white resin that goes on the toenail. Up till now, all we've been really able to do for ingrown toenails is cut out an edge and kill the edge with an acid. And it works really well. Sometimes it makes the nail look a little bit narrow. But this is a newer procedure, and for people that maybe don't like the injections, they're kind of scared of them, or they don't want to do the permanent procedure, maybe a child or a diabetic or someone, we can do this procedure now, and it works really well. And it attaches to the base of the nail, and you leave it on there for about 3 months when it grows out to here, and then I put another one on here. So usually do 3 to 4 applications, lets the toenail grow out, and it straightens it, kind of like braces on your teeth. As the nail grows, it straightens it so it doesn't grow into the edge as much. Okay, that's the newsletter here for 2021 in February. Okay, thanks guys. Have a good day.